How to change currency in Temu app. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the currency format. First of all, open the Temu application. Now, here on the bottom, you can see this profile icon. Tap on this profile icon. Here on the right top, you'll be able to see this settings icon. Tap on this settings icon. Now, here's an option called currency. Tap on currency. So, as you can see, there is only USD, US dollar available. There are no other currency available. Temu doesn't give you the option to change the currency because it gives US dollar as a reference for everyone. So in order to know the price, you can directly convert from the US dollar. So this is the only option available. There are no other settings given by Temu. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.